Hey there, Kelly. It's Lee MacDonald, Nanaimo Toyota. Quick little video here for you of the 2019 Tacoma TRD off-road access cab 4x4. Of course, 3.5 liter V6, a 6-speed automatic. Little wear on that front corner. Got a little bit of aesthetic challenge to it. Looks like we got some snow tires here. Tons of tread left. Nice looking wheel. Cement gray color is pretty sharp looking. We'll go to the other side too. And upgraded deck. All-weather floor mats. Cloth interior. Of course, you've got the access cab back here as well. Power windows, power locks, 6-foot box for your slider. Hitch, wiring, receiver. Oh, wonder what's going on there. I'll ask about that. There's a little crack in that tail light. Dual temperature, auto climate control. Only 80,000 kilometers. Fog lamps, automatic headlights. Just got a little bit more work to do with this here, Kelly. I'll send this over to you and I'll keep you posted. Thanks so much for your interest. Of course, you could put an offer in on this one and have it pending sale for you to come up, and of course make sure the trade numbers are right as well. Lee MacDonald, Nanaimo Toyota. Thanks for checking in and watching the video, and have a great day. 250-741-4525.